To do the sumo squats, take a wide stance, roughly about 2 feet apart. Make sure to keep the toes facing out, not straight forward, but it should be facing out. This is the stance you will take to do your squats. As you do the squats, make sure to keep the knees facing out as well, angle as the toes, and then you will go as low as possible while maintaining an upright spine. Here it is with the barbell. Undrag the barbell, keep the barbell on your trap muscles. Take that wide stance. Make sure to keep the toes facing out and the knees facing out as well. Go down as low as possible while keeping the spine as straight. Here it is from another angle. Go down as low as possible, keeping the spine as upright as possible. And that is how you do the barbell sumo squats.